right that we also recognize our leaders and that we hear a word, of course, from our president and maybe one of the representatives of our leaders. For the bishops here present, before calling on our leaders, our national and civic leaders and county leaders, allow me to very quickly also introduce our bishops. But first, our vicar generals here present, kindly rise. Vicar generals for various dioceses and those who are sent by the bishops. Wherever you are, even if you are down there, wave. Thank you. Just stand and wave. Thank you very much. We have present with us, I think I should start from the top, none other than the founder of this diocese, Cardinal John Njue. Ongeza. 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 The archbishops present here. We'll start first with the bishops. The bishops present here, Reverend Bishop John Kiplimo, Lelei Auxiliary in Eldoret. They will only wave, we neither are giving any speeches. Reverend Peter Macau Munguti, Bishop of the Diocese of Isiolo. Right Reverend Wallace Nanga, military ordinary. Right Reverend Simon Peter Kamomwe, auxiliary of the Diocese of Nairobi. Right Reverend Cleophas Oseso, Bishop of Nakuru. Right Reverend Henry Juma Odonya, Bishop of Kitale. Right Reverend Eronimus Musungut Joya, Bishop of Mara. Right Reverend John Binda, Bishop of Lodwar. Right Reverend George Modaka, Bishop of Garissa. Right Reverend Mark Kadima, Bishop of Bungoma. Right Reverend Wilberto Lago, Bishop of Malindi. Right Reverend Bishop Michael Odiwa Otieno, Bishop of Homa Bay. Right Reverend Joseph Mwongera, Bishop of Kitui. Right Reverend Bishop Joseph Mbatia, Bishop of Nyahururu. Right Reverend John Obala Ole Owa, Bishop of Ngong. Right Reverend Bishop James Maria Wainaina, Bishop of Muranga. Right Reverend Bishop Salicius Mogambi, Bishop of Meru. Right Reverend Bishop Norman Kingo Wambua, Bishop of Machakos. Right Reverend Bishop Alfred Rotich, Bishop of Kericho. Right Reverend Bishop Anthony Mukobo, Emeritus Bishop of Isiolo. Right Reverend Bishop Philip Sulumeti Mzee wa kazi kutoka Kakamega. Na Right Reverend Bishop Archbishop Peter Kairo, mzee wangu na baba yangu kutoka jimbo la Nyeri, Emeritus. We also have the archbishops, Most Reverend Martin Kevuva Mosonde, Archbishop of Mombasa. We have Most Reverend Philip Anyolo, Archbishop of Nairobi. Aongezewe makofi, ametupatia mtoto. Aongezewe nyingine. Asante sana. Na mwishowe ambaye tutamuita baadaye ndiye atazungumza kwa niaba ya maaskofu wote kabla na kumwalika askofu mpya atakayetufungia siku sherehe ya leo, lakini ndiye askofu mkuu Most Reverend Morris Mohatia Makumba, mwenyekiti wa baraza la maaskofu wa Kenya na askofu wa Kisumu. Before inviting of course, the Apostolic Nuncio, if we don't know, we are in a bad state. The Apostolic Nuncio, who has presided over this ceremony, Archbishop Bert Van Megan Makofi na asante kwake. Sorry about that. So before inviting the Apostolic Nuncio and the chair so that we can invite the bishop newly ordained to give the final remark, allow me now to recognize our leaders here present. I would like to recognize all elected former members of parliament and civic leaders here present. Kindly, if you could rise, and then we would applaud you. Former MPs, former MCAs, kindly. Can we clap for them? We also want to note and appreciate the presence of all MCAs, members of County Assembly, who may be here present. Kindly and with respect, we'd like to recognize your solidarity with us and thank you. A good applause for our Embu County Assembly. Thank you very much. I am not sure whether the Speaker of the County Assembly is here. Kindly let us recognize you too. Thank you. God bless you. Would like also to recognize all members of Parliament here present. We know we have a good number. Kindly, with due respect, I would plead you stand and we give you a good applause. Thank you for honoring us. Makofi kwa hawa wote. Some from here and some from outside our county. I would also like at this moment also to recognize our former Deputy President, who is also here. Thank you. I would at this time kindly would want to recognize here present our senators who are here with us. Can you give them a good applause as well? We have our CEOs of different institutions who are here too with us. Kindly. A good applause for them, kindly. Kwa munogire? Kwa munogire? Nanike muteko gora makovi. Aya. Then we go to our Deputy Inspector General here present with us. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. Makofi kwake. Here too present, we have our principal secretaries who are here with us. A good number. Thank you very much.